Why, hello from Art of Animation at Walt Disney World, and this is a Valley Resort, and we are getting ready to do a room tour, so stay tuned. And if you're new around here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. What are you waiting for?
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
So, I am joined with Mama.
Hello.
And are you going to give us a room tour?
Yes.
Because you love Prince Eric. Mr. James, watch out.
Yes.
Alright, so here we go, Mama. You
Alright.
come in and there's bubbles behind Mama.
Yes.
And Mama, look,
And what
we're
hap-
on ocean floors.
This is all different since we last stayed at Art of Animation.
Yes.
We just dropped all our luggage down and we came in the door.
This is
so
real
it's-
life.
You come in here and you get a mirror.
Yes. Aw, they're singing to you, Mama. And you get the colorful chairs and under the sea.
This is Kimberly's bed.
Because that hunk.
And my bed.
Nice.
I'll let you do the rest.
No, Mama, you're doing
No, you
excellent. Mama, you didn't do one major thing that we always
It's
do.
all changed now because of this.
Just leave it in there.
So-
Just germaphobe, leave it in there. We gotta find out what temperature it is and what day it is.
Let's see.
It is 2 p.m. 70 today, 45 tonight. Tuesday, January 5th. Mama, that's loud, Mama.
I'm turning it down.
So Mama loves doing that. And then you come over here, you get a coffee maker with tea and coffee. And your guide to the magic. The remote during this time. So you know you're safe. Then these are the drawers. Mama, I
Yeah.
want you to come show the bathroom. I think you'll like it. That's a cute little place to hang your coats.
This is our bathroom. There's space with the shelves, hangers,
Mm-hmm.
iron, and we get a soap. I'm glad I listened to Kim and I did bring lotion.
Yeah, I told Mama all they
I-
give you is this little soap, so we
So
gotta
we're
bring
used to
soap.
now bringing lotion with us.
Yeah.
And this bathroom's nice.
Look,
It
Mama.
has the showers curtain with little Ariel. Shower curtain has Ariel on it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and this is pretty with the
Treasures and
blues.
How many
And this has all been
wonders
cleaned.
One Catherine hold. It looks very nice. Mommy, you gonna be singing Part of Your World in there?
Yes.
Oh, that's weird. That toilet looks new. Oh, wait, it's...
But
I'm
it's
losing
different.
it.
There's no top on it.
No, it's missing a top.
So that's
The
different.
gators can come out. Alright.
Right, I gotta wash my hands.
Oh. Here's a closer look. So you get Ariel. That is gorgeous. Even the floor tiles are themed. And you get a lovely, well, that's close, but you get a lovely full-length mirror. So you come out and you have this separator for the bathroom. Very cute. And we got gorgeous Prince Eric. And if you look, there's Ariel's fin right there. And Flounder, Sebastian, and her tail again over there. And these are new since we last stayed there, so they got rid of the carpet. And we forgot to show the view.
Which we were excited to see. We get to watch all the dopey runners.
Yes, and the water's right over that way. That's gonna do it for this room tour of Disney's Art of Animation, The Little Mermaid, building number 7, which is Ursula, which was perfect for Mama's wine and dine. And we are in room 7627. So give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this quick little room tour, and I hope you subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye.